Alaikum guys, how to earn from Aliexpress. Importance of Aliexpress in dropshipping. Here how it works. You add the products you would like to sell from Aliexpress to your store. You set a price with a markup. When you receive an order, you pay for that product at wholesale price. The AliExpress seller ships the order directly to your customer. AliExpress Dropshipping, a complete 2020 playbook. Shopify.com. AliExpress Dropshipping, a complete guide to sourcing from AliExpress. Dropshipping with AliExpress is an excellent way to start an e-commerce business without worrying about inventory or shipping. It's as simple as listing a product for a sale on your website and sending an email to your supplier to ship the item on your behalf whenever you get an order. How to get started with dropshipping in 2022. AliExpress. What is AliExpress? AliExpress is an enormous marketplace with more than 100 million products available for sale. It was founded in 2010 and is owned by China-based Alibaba, one of the world's largest e-commerce companies. You can see AliExpress website overview. Big website, because most of the AliExpress sellers are overseas manufacturers. You can find trending products at lower price. Within you will find products ranging from women's clothing and jewelry to electronics and home decor. It's a great place for sourcing products if you want to sell stuff online. Does AliExpress allow dropshipping? Yes. AliExpress makes it easy to find products to sell on your e-commerce store without having worry about inventory or shipping. You can start dropshipping AliExpress products to your store is only a few clicks. Hope you understand. Like our video, thumbs up, subscribe, and you never miss any update from our channel. Thanks for watching.